Hello everyone, this is Curtis at home cooking. That's right, I'm finna cook something tonight. What I'm gonna fix is some catfish and have some hush puppies. What it is, I picked up some catfish. I got it in the bag here, so I'm finna take this catfish out of here and I'm gonna rinse it all off, and then I'm gonna batter it up and just have some good old catfish. I tell you, nothing like it. I just got a taste for having some catfish here, so I'm gonna see if we can get this catfish all battered up here and see if we can put it in the deep fry. I got my deep fry over here. Right here, it's already warming up, so it shouldn't take too long just to get some good old fried catfish here. But give me a minute, and we're gonna get into this. I want to get this catfish all rinsed off, and then I want to take and just put some of this good batter on there that I have for the fish fry. And I got a big container of this here fish fry here, and I've used it before, and so I'm gonna do it again. So just want to have some fish. I mean, it's Thursday, and so I'm just, hey, I want to get some of that good fish. So let's do it. Let's do it. All right. Okay, guys, I got the fish here. I want to show it to you. See, this is that catfish right here. It's a big one. It's a big one right here. See, got one right there. I'm just gonna take and lay it in there, and I'm gonna take and some of my seasoning here. I'm gonna spread it off in there like that right there. Yeah, just spread this here in here. Oh yeah. So we're gonna get it, just a good coating like that right there, and just get a good batter on there. See there? Oh yeah. Take that in there and just wipe it around. Let it kind of stick on there real good. I want to get a good breading on it. Oh, look at that. Yeah, let that soak in there. See? Move it around like that. See, that's the way it's looking with all of that on there. Just get a good coating of this here on there. Put that in there. Then I got another one. See, here's this other one right here. So we're just gonna take and lay it in there. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit more of this on here. Want to get a good coating on it. So you just kind of want to let it rest in there. Okay. Put that back on there. Just kind of move it around in here. Move it around so we can get a good coating on both sides of it. So when we get ready to drop it in there, it'll be good and crispy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and also I got some of these bag of these hush puppies right here. Gonna use these right here, and I'm just gonna take and I'm gonna deep fry them again. Just drop them in there, and they're gonna be good too. Oh yeah. So oh yeah, look at this right here. Just put that in there. Let it kind of rest a little. Stick on there. Good breading. Yeah. There you go. Just kind of work it around in there over and over. So we can get a good breading on both sides. I want to make sure that, it takes. So you got no rush. Just let it kind of work its way in so that seasoning can kind of soak in there. And that's what we're doing right now. Don't have to have it too heavy, but just a little light coating, and let it rest. Yeah. Yep. So we're gonna be ready here. A few minutes, we'll be ready to just drop it in there. Just work that coating in there. Work it on there. Real good. Okay. It's looking good. It's looking good. Okay. So now we're gonna let that rest a few minutes, and then we're gonna be ready to drop it over here into the frying pan. So give me a minute. Give me a minute, and we're gonna get over here and see if we can get this here all fried up. Okay. Okay, so now we're ready. Let's go on. Let's move it over here to the stove. Move this pan around over here. Let's move it over here and see if we can get it in there. The oil, the good frying oil. Oh, look at that. Look at this right here. Let me see if I can turn it around, share with you. Okay. Yeah, look at that. We got it. So we're gonna take it and move our basket over. Let's see if we can put this basket up here. We're just gonna take one, and we're gonna lay one of them in there, like that right there. All right. Yeah, I think we're just gonna fry one at a time because the other one's pretty big and we don't want to crowd the pan. So let's just drop it in there. Like that right there. There we go. All right, so we're gonna let that fry for a few minutes and we'll be back. Okay guys, I just wanted to give you a view of the way everything is looking. You can see I got the big piece in there. I got that big piece of catfish already in there. I got the other one already cooked up. I got it out. I'll share that with you. As you can see right there, it kind of broke when I was taking it out, but you can see the way it looks right here. Oh yeah, it's all cooked all the way through. But we got over here, we got this other one in here with the hush puppies, and you can see it cooking. Oh yeah, I told you I was gonna refry those hush puppies, and I just dropped them in there and hey, refry them over again, and they're good. When I get them out of there, they're gonna be tasty. Meanwhile, I got me some over on the other side over here. I also have me some beans. Let me see. I got some beans right here. If I can show you. Yeah, right there. I got some beans already cooking right there. So I got some pork and beans. And we're going to have this pork and beans and this fish. Oh, man. We're going to have a good meal here in a minute. So just sharing that little portion with you. So I want to make sure that the fish get all cooked all the way through, and it's getting there. Okay. All right, guys. All right, guys. I got the last piece of fish all fried up. This is the way it looks. I was just letting the oil drain off of it there. Frying oil there. So this is the way it looks. So we're finna take this here and put it on a plate, and we're gonna see about having us some of it. We're gonna have, most definitely we're gonna have some of this here fish. So give me just a minute. Give me just a minute so I can put it on a plate.